World is a transient abode. Every breath you take is a step towards death. Anything which can be counted is finite and will come to an end. If matters get mixed up, then scrutinize the cause, and you will know what the effects will be. Acquire wisdom and truth from whomever you can, because even an apostate can have them. But unless they are passed over to a faithful Muslim and become part of wisdom and truth that he possesses, they have a confused existence in the minds of apostates. Knowledge and wisdom are really the privilege of a faithful Muslim. If you have lost them, get them back, even though you may have to get them from the apostates. Value of each man depends upon the art and skill which he has attained. I want to teach you 5 of those things which deserve your greatest anxiety to acquire them. Have hope only in Allah. Be afraid of nothing but sins. If you do not know a thing, never feel ashamed to admit ignorance. If you do not know a thing, never hesitate or feel ashamed to learn it. Acquire patience and endurance, because their relation with true faith is that of a head to a body. A body is of no use without a head. Similarly, true faith can be of no use without attributes of resignation, endurance, and patience.